Hi. My dad's gonna take some cough syrup, and it's just gonna be funny. So yeah. So give him. I'm just.
You guys are disgusting. You know that? It goes nothing. Bottoms down.
The warming station.
Oh, that's disgusting, guys. Oh! Mm. No.
Don't worry, we can play this back after we're done with it.
That was nasty. Peace out.
I haven't had that.
No, yeah, actually it is.